Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a makeover in collaboration with a family member on their fireplace. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Miss Mama D, and we're gonna do a DIY project on her fireplace, little makeover. So stay tuned if you want to see how it ends up. And also head over to her page, Gordon5.
Yep, visit my channel, Gordon5 Family.
Yes, they do family skits, vlogging, challenges, and all that fun stuff.
All of that. Yeah. So visit my channel and hit the subscribe button.
Yes. So stay tuned if you want to see the end results of the fireplace. Let's go.
So we're just gonna get some supplies. We need some paint, some painter's paint. Okay, and now we need like paint. I need a brush. We need, what is it? What's it? Rack? What's it called? The rack?
The tray.
The tray, that's it.
Yeah.
So let's just get, perfect, it's down here. So I think this one is good. $4, guys, oh my god. Got that. So we need at least, I know we need more than one, so these two. Okay, so we couldn't go to Home Depot because they're closed. So we had to come to the dollar store, okay guys? So thanks to COVID, we're here.
Everything's locked down.
Yeah, so we put our order through online, so we're waiting to pick it up. Okay, let's get the tray. Let's get more than one tray, of course.
Yeah, good to go.
So I got 2 trays. Yep, you got 3 brushes.
Oh, the drop sheet?
Yeah.
Probably
here?
This one?
Drop sheet. Okay, yeah. Doesn't really matter what color it is.
No, plastic. Yeah, floor. We got everything we needed. The Dollarama.
Yeah, so now Home Depot.
Okay, let's go.
Pulling up to Home Depot to get our paints, or spray paint actually.
Yes, you can pull into any spot.
Yeah, it's going closer one to them. So what number are we at? Now it's just a call?
Number 30.
Okay, let's put number 30. Let's do this. Okay, so we're picking up our spray paint. Unfortunately, we're not picking up any paint because they're not tinting any paint due to COVID, unfortunately. So we put an online order through. Thank you. We put an online order through to Canadian Tire for some paint in a bag because they were the only place that had paint available in the color that I wanted. So unfortunately, that's going to take a couple days to come in. So, but we're able to get some spray paint so we can at least do some of the fireplace. And then in the meantime, we just wait for the paint to come in.
So to be continued.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, guys, we got the spray paint. So yeah, so I'm excited to be able to start something. So, anyways.
All right, so we're back, and now we're gonna get ready, clean everything out.
Yep.
Change our clothes because we don't want to get paint on it, and we're gonna prep the area, wipe down the dust, just so we have clean service. And let's get started.
Stay tuned.
Woo.
Okay, so Alicia's just wiping down the fireplace, taking off the tape. There was some tape on there. It was very dusty. There was some cobwebs, so she's just cleaning up. And it looks like we're gonna. This is your job. Like, I don't know what we're doing.
You're the one that said you're gonna talk.
I'm the specialist here. I'm assuming after we wipe it down and we also dusted it, we're going to prep the paint.
Yeah, we're gonna drop a a drop sheet and then put up the tape.
That's it.
Yes.
What she said.
So we finally got everything taped up, covered up, dusted off, and we're gonna start painting. Start with the spray paint. The glass is taped off, everything. Yeah, so we're gonna spray paint this metal piece black. Yeah, Rust-Oleum, like a flat black spray paint.
So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that, if it's focusing or not, but so I'm gonna go ahead and start. I have no clue how to use this, so okay, let's go. Let's do this. I'm excited. Even like all here, okay.
Yeah, makes sense.
Oh,
That's real black.
this is so fun, guys. You guys we should always do this. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. What do you guys think so far? It looks good, eh?
Yeah.
I love it.
So we're trying to get an even layer. First coat, let it dry a little bit. It's a fast drying spray paint. Yeah, we're gonna do an even coat, let it dry a little bit, and then we're gonna come back, do a second coat. Just to
Miss Alicia's gonna take over because I don't have no idea what I'm doing.
right.
Okay. That looks so good. Like my fireplace already looks modern. I don't even think I'm capping, but I'm serious. It already looks modern. Ooh, this is strong. I'm gonna crack the window.
I was about to say, you might need to do that.
There's no wolves out there. I'm just kidding.
Wait, coyotes.
I know.
Those things be running around.
This is looking so good. I'm so excited. It looks so good. I'm really happy right now, although we're not even, it's only like,
Not even close to done.
right? But I'm happy with how it's looking.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, so we're gonna let this dry a little bit, and then we're gonna come back, spray her again. You wanna like fill in?
Yeah. So what had happened was we couldn't get no paint till Thursday, and today is Tuesday. And I went into my cold room and I discovered that we had a brand new, well, not brand new, but it hasn't been opened, and it's gray paint. So we're like, okay, cool. So we got us some paint.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're gonna start making. This is my first time actually ever getting this close to paint.
Newbie.
So I'm glad and excited because I spent a whole lot of money on paint. So I'm glad I'm gonna be able to get my money back. I got some free paint that was just sitting in my cold room.
Some free labor. Like,
That's what I'm talking about. That's what's up.
yeah, for DIY projects, it's always good to like be able to use what you have on hand.
Yeah.
If you don't have to spend money, why spend money? You know.
Yeah. Facts.
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 Facts. Facts.
One for you. Okay, here you go, guys. I'm scared it's gonna like go.
Okay, so we're going to, well, we just finished the first coat. Yeah, it's drying right now, but so we're gonna do a second coat right now. So it appears a little more of the light gray. Yeah, so we're just going over right now and doing that part. We're gonna leave the bottom for now let the kitties do it in the morning. And yeah, do the second coat on this after. We'll leave it to the end because obviously we got a little paint on it. So yeah, that's about it.
I love it. It's so good. Good job, Kai. Oh, good job, Xavier. You guys are like pros.
I'm going here now. I need to make sure everywhere gets paint. Me too. Cause this is me, Kai. I'm Kai. That's Xavier, my cousin.
That's it.
Actually, it doesn't look like red. It looks like peaches red.
That's true. Okay, we back.
Yes, and it's done.
Yes, final product. I'm loving my new fireplace. Thank you, Miss Alicia, for coming to help DIY makeover my fireplace. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay,
It's leave that. But it's working, fully functional.
yes, please comment below if you guys like the fireplace, if you have any questions, suggestions.
All right, thanks for tuning in, guys.
So I'm gonna enjoy my fireplace. I'm gonna put some marshmallows in there.
Yeah, make some s'mores in there.
That's it. Good job, Miss Alicia.
Thanks.
DIY,
yes. To check out more DIY projects, makeover projects. If you enjoy, like and subscribe.
That's it.
Thank you for watching this makeover video. Please give it a like and subscribe so you can tune in for more makeover and DIY projects. Leave a comment below and let me know how you think the results came out. See you in the next one.